You know the feeling? You're out and about, your data is running on fumes, and you're just desperately hunting for a free Wi-Fi signal. Well, today, we're going to break down a really simple but super powerful trick to find and connect to free Wi-Fi pretty much wherever you are.
All right, so let's set the scene, and I guarantee you've been here. You're out somewhere, maybe your mobile data's about to die, and you have to get online, like right now. So you pull out your phone, and for a split second, there's a glimmer of hope. You see Wi-Fi signals everywhere, from cafés, shops, all over the place. But it always leads to that same frustrating question. And there it is. That list of nearby networks just pops right up. It's that moment where you feel like you've just struck internet gold.
And then reality hits. Every single one has that little padlock icon next to it. So close, but so far. It's got to be the universal symbol for digital frustration, right?
But what if I told you there's a surprisingly simple fix for this exact problem? And yeah, it's just sitting there waiting for you in the App Store. The whole solution revolves around this type of app, often called a Wi-Fi map. And the idea is actually kind of genius. It's basically a map built by a whole community of users who shared the passwords for public Wi-Fi spots. Think hotels, cafes, that kind of thing.
So getting started couldn't be easier. You literally just open up the Google Play Store and look for an app that does this.
Okay, so you've got the app installed. Now for the fun part. How do you actually use it to get that sweet free internet? Let's break it down into 5 super simple steps.
All right, so first, you install the app. Simple. Next, you'll have to give it location permission. And this is super important because the app needs to know where you are to find networks near you. Once that's done, it'll show you a map of available Wi-Fi spots. You just tap on one, and that brings us to the magic step, getting the password.
And boom, just like that, it's right there on your screen. The app just shows you the password that some other kind user shared for that exact spot.
From here, you're on the home stretch. Most of these apps have a one-click copy button, so you just grab that password, hop over to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, paste it in, and hit connect.
And that's it. You go from that feeling of total frustration with no connection to the sweet relief of being fully online. It's a seriously simple and honestly really satisfying fix.
So I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Let's talk about how this whole thing actually works, because it's really important to get where these passwords are coming from.
This is probably the biggest question you have. Where did these passwords even come from? Is this some kind of hacking? Is it safe? Well, the answer is actually way simpler, and it all comes down to people sharing. Let's be perfectly clear. This is not about breaking into your neighbor's private home Wi-Fi. That's not what this is. These apps work because people voluntarily share the passwords for public places. You know that coffee shop you go to, the hotel lobby, a public square? It's basically a digital community helping each other out to stay connected.
Look, a simple trick like this can be a total lifesaver sometimes. And it really makes you wonder, right? In this device that we use every single day, what other clever shortcuts and hidden tricks are just waiting in there for us to find?